In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on TikTok Ads Manager. Getting this right is important because your campaign schedules, daily budget resets, and reporting all follow the time zone you set. Let's walk through it clearly and safely. Start by opening your browser and going to the official TikTok for Business site. In the upper right corner, click Log In. You'll land on the secure sign-in page. Enter the email and password for your business account and keep those credentials private. When you're ready, click Login to continue. You may see a brief progress screen while TikTok prepares your workspace. Let that finish. If a confirm prompt appears, approve it to move forward. Next, complete the verification step by entering the one-time code sent to your chosen method, such as email or an authenticator app. These codes expire quickly, so have your device handy to avoid timeouts or having to request a new code. Once you're in Ads Manager, click the Create button. This opens the guided setup that includes account level settings. When prompted about who you are, choose I'm an advertiser to follow the business workflow. You'll then see the account details form where the time zone selector is available. Click the time zone field to change it. Scroll or search for the region that matches how you want your ads measured and scheduled. As a best practice, pick the time zone that aligns with the market you optimize for most, or the team responsible for daily pacing and reporting. This matters because your charts, breakdowns, and daily budget resets will follow this clock, including daylight saving shifts where applicable. If you coordinate across regions, choose the one you'll consistently use for decision making so everyone is looking at the same timeline. Keep in mind that depending on your account type and region, the time zone may be locked after you confirm it. If you later need a different clock, the usual solution is to create a new ad account with the preferred setting, then plan campaign transitions accordingly. It's a good idea to document your chosen time zone internally so billing, analytics, and scheduling all line up. After selecting the correct time zone, click Confirm to save your choice. Before you proceed, take a moment to review other fields like currency and business details so everything matches your finance and reporting processes. And that's it. You went to TikTok for Business, signed in securely, started the advertiser setup, changed the time zone, and confirmed the update. With that done, your campaigns and reports will align with the hours that matter most to your team.